Hello, I am coming to you from the Delano, where we have just checked in. I'm going to show you the room. We checked in online earlier today. Our room was ready pretty quickly. We went up there. The room number we had was floor 25, room 802. Walked in, it absolutely reeked of cigarettes. Walked straight back out. We've just come back down. He said, I have a room ready. It is on the 4th floor. Is that a problem? I'm like, I have no issue with the 4th floor. I don't plan to stand and look out of my window at the view for any length of time, but let me show you the room that we have now got. Our room number is 4908. We're on the 4th floor. So this is the Delano. It's an all-suite hotel. So you come in and straight away, for me, this is a big win. You have a powder room, which is always good.
Oh, I need the.
Oh, we've got no towels. Need to check that.
Need the ticket.
And then you come in. You have your living room, your desk where Rich is studiously writing. TV. I'm sure we'll be watching that, won't we?
Yes.
And then you have your little wet bar. There is a notice that says warning. The mini bar and snack tray are sensory activated, so don't touch any of that. Same as in the mini bar down here. And then you come through to the bedroom, and we have a king room. So it's all very nice, very clean. It's way better than the other room we were looking at. Closets. I'm going to assume that, okay, we have can't open that one. Oh, there we go. Gosh, that was tough. We have a safe, plenty of drawer space, and the iron and ironing board for Rich, because that is super important. And then we'll come through here to the bathroom. Nice double sinks. We have a bathtub and a shower. And the toilet. So there we go. Let's see what what have we got here? Body lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and more body lotion. Yep. And then, a TV remote for the TV that's in the bathroom. So you can take a bath and watch the TV. Why not? Hairdryer. It's actually a full-size hairdryer by the looks of it. Let me take a look. Yeah, full-size hairdryer. Towels. I think we need to order some more towels. We don't seem to have very many of them. And then I think when he was a bit concerned about us being on the 4th floor, if you want to have a look at our wonderful, wonderful view that we have here. Okay, Rich has closed these, so I don't know where okay, here we go. Here is our view.
Oh, we got closets.
So we were up there somewhere on floor 28, no, floor 25, but we can actually see, that's the Luxor, and through the Luxor, through there, is Excalibur. So I'm not quite sure if this counts as a strip view or not. So yeah, that's our room view, or room tour of the Delano. Yeah, like I said, the view really doesn't matter to me at all. This is nice, it's nice and clean. We're happy. These rooms were comped. All we're paying for are the resort fees, or this room, should I say, was comped. We're paying for the resort fees. So again, I'm really not complaining at all. Anyway, if you like what you see and you want to see more of our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our content, and we will see you again soon. A couple of things I want to add about the room. We have a do not disturb button and a housekeeping button. So currently we have do not disturb on. If you come outside on your room number, we have the red button. So if I turn that off, it changes to white. Now if you want housekeeping, you press housekeeping. And it changes to green, which is pretty cool. I'm going to put the do not disturb back on. The other thing I want to point out is, because this is something again that I didn't show when I was doing my original walkthrough. Lots of different USB ports, so on and so forth. I'm not very techie, so I couldn't tell you what the names of all of those are. And there are no USB ports by the side of the bed. However, there is a plug socket, so you can charge stuff next to the bed.